What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. We're out here getting the trucks, both of them, ready to go to another car show. About to wash my dad's truck real quick before we head out and go to the car show, meet up with some of the Bulls members, and then head out to that car show. So we're headed back to go meet up with the rest of the crew members. We finished washing my dad's truck. He's cruising behind us. So yeah, we're just gonna go meet up with the rest of the crew and then all cruise together to the car show. So we'll catch you when we meet up with the crew. Just met up with some of the crew. About to roll out to the car show. So let's get it. Woo. Need a little David moment in like every vlog.
I already have mine. I have my personal cameraman.
Oh, let me see. GoPro Hero 3. Oh, Hero 9?
Yeah.
9 black.
Oh yeah, he just drove off my car right now. He's gonna take it because I need a service on it. So he's gonna take it for a quick spin.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Hey, that's not your car, sir.
What are you? Damn.
Bro, even the strut arms though. Where can we get those? Strut arms. You can send them out to these different
Mhm.
How long ago did you get it?
I just got delivery right before Christmas. The guy built it for me out in Indianapolis.
Oh, so it was made just for you?
It's custom built, yeah.
So everything, all the measurements are.
Everything's all me, yeah.
That's tight.
Yeah, he's an Indy car builder. He built 29 Indy cars.
Oh, okay.
So he's a real craftsman. He can't do it anymore, but that was the last one. That's the only World of Outlaws one he's ever built. So he was pretty happy to do that. Took a long time to get it, 5 years.
5 years to make it?
Yeah. Yeah, but every piece on it's machine handmade.
Yeah.
It's just a little bit loud though. The cops don't like that too much.
It's all good.
What about the neighbor? That's my next door neighbor. Oh, is he? Yeah. He hasn't said nothing. He hasn't said nothing. His cat goes under the couch, but other than that,
Do you want one?
be crazy.
Driving on the road with this shit? Oh my god.
Have no room for passengers. Straight solo dolo.
I can sit on the top.
Fly off one turn.
Shit's crazy.
It's sick.
He's modeling for you.
This side gotta come out through the top.
Oh, okay.
The headers on that side go up from the bottom.
Dang.
I had to take all this up to get it in there.
You put them on yourself?
Yep. Headers and high plug cats.
Alright, mechanic. Get to it.
Nah, no.
Maybe 130, 135, that's money.
Remember at Toyota they bought that black one?
The black. Oh yeah, yeah,
They took it when they had barely
The
bought
one
it.
from Harrison's.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, they took that black one or red one when the Beatles came out. And they had to show together. Yeah, but they had to show. Beats.
Bro, this shit's sick.
This is that
Did
guy.
you take one of my cards
I should. Let me see real quick.
Oh my gosh.
with the sticker?
I don't think I took a card away.
So what kind of motor we have here?
Fail, you're not a mechanic. No comment, you
what
got
is this?
5 more seconds. 1.
It's a Toyota, guys.
Okay.
I think it's hybrid.
It might be a hybrid. No, I think. Is that a power steering pump?
A plug-in though. Yeah, no. That's the AC compressor.
The AC compressor.
Yeah, that's why it's so big.
AC compressor.
Can you imagine slamming gears on the water? Now you're showing up. I think that was that Corvette. Lo que me cago. Oh yeah, you know.
So what's up, guys? So car show ended and we actually got best modern truck trophy. So it was dope. Had fun time with the club. Now we're just gonna go throw a little cruise downtown and just hang out for the night. So thank you guys for tuning in to another vlog, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.